Hey guys, Toy Scout here. We're gonna learn about the letter N with the A, B, C surprise eggs. Before we get to the eggs, I'd like to show you everything first. Noodles. N is for noodles. This is instant noodles. In order to eat this, you just unwrap the bag and put it in hot water for a few minutes. Noodles. Nightingale. N is for nightingale. The nightingale make really beautiful sounds. Nightingale. Necklace. N is for necklace. You wear a necklace on your neck, and this necklace here has the word forever on it. Necklace. Now we're gonna open the surprise eggs. We have 3 uppercase N's and 3 lowercase N. We're gonna start with the lowercase N, the pink egg here. Let's see what's in this one. Whoa, it's a lion. Nala. N is for Nala. Nala is from the Lion King. This is a female lion, and she's the best friend of Simba. Nala. Now the blue egg here. Look what we have here. It's a fish, and his name is Nemo. N is for Nemo. Nemo is from Finding Nemo, where he go missing and his father and friends go after him. He's a clownfish. Nemo. And now to the uppercase N, starting with the purple one here. Let's see who we're getting. Nani. N is for Nani. Nani is the older sister of Lilo in Lilo and Stitch. She's the one that is taking care of Lilo after her parents pass away. Nani. And now the big red egg. This one's really big, guys. Let's see who's in this one. Whoa! Who's this, guys? Nelson. N is for Nelson. Nelson is a bully from The Simpsons. He loves to bully others, especially Bart Simpson, but eventually they become best friends. Nelson. And our last surprise egg is this green one right here. We have an egg inside. It's an orange egg, and it's kind of cracked open already. Let's see what we get. Nidoran. N is for Nidoran. Nidoran is a poison Pokemon that can evolve into Nidorino. Nidoran.